Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will walk you through the script that automates contact association to a deal in HubSpot. So imagine this, you have a deal property called client email, and every time it gets updated, you want HubSpot to automatically check if the contacts exist in your database. If they do, then great, we will associate them with the deal. So if they don't, no problem, we will create the contact, link them to the deal as well. So let's get started. So to do this, the prerequisite is you need a email field, client email field. So this is a single text field, single text custom field, and you need a private app token key with contacts and deals read write access. Then you need a association label. So I have created it as a client, and you can see view API details here, and you will need the association ID. In this case, the association ID is 1. Then you need access to the workflows. So I will create a workflow from scratch. So I will choose a deal property because whenever a client email on the deal property is added, then it should trigger this workflow. So I'll hit next. Okay, so name this accordingly and save. So add the enrollment trigger. So this is when filter criteria is met. Search for deal property and client email is known. So every time someone changes the email or updates the email, so it should re-enroll. So again, go to re-enrollment and enable this. Save. So next, for the actions, choose the custom coded action. So you can also search custom coded here. So this is the one. Paste. Yes, you can add the description if you want, and choose the secret key. So this is the API token which we generated here. So this is the API token. And from the property to include, I need client email. And here comes the main part, which is the code. So this is the code. Here I'll just quickly go through the code. Step 1 is to search the contact by email. So this will search if the email already exists in our database. So if the email exists, then I associate them with the deal. So if the email doesn't exist, so then create the contact with the email and then associate it with the deal. So that's what the code it is. So I'll copy this code, paste it here. Okay, so this is done. I'll just save this. Okay, it's already saved. Do not bother about the error. I will just review this. I'll just say no. Okay, hit next, and turn on the workflow. Okay, so now we have enabled the workflow. Now if I go back to the deal and update any email, so that should create a contact. So right now you can see I only have 2 contacts. Now I'll just add any email. I'll just write swat@example.com. Save. So this should take less than a minute, and it should create a contact, plus it should associate it here. So let's wait for 30 seconds. Reload. Yes, Yes, so you can see the contact has been created, and if we go back to the deal and refresh, yeah, we have the contact here. So similarly, if you change the email again, it will check if it exists. If it doesn't, then it will create the contact, and it will add the contact here. So that's how it works. uh, so I'll just provide the code in the description so you can go check out. So if there is any doubt, you can always comment and reach out to me. Yes, thank you.